time about can sweep away words hurting you. Now it's history. I put on, and that's what you've done. Nothing more to say, no ways to play. That takes it out. Losers standing small beside the victory. That's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. Figured it made sense. Building me a friend, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool. Playing by the rules, knowing that takes it all. The loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny. The winner takes it all. Binituwa po namin yung Grand Finals kasi nilapit na po. March na po yung Grand Finals. So, sana po ay huwag niyo po kaming bibitawan.
Supportahan niyo po kami lahat. Yun lang po.
Yes, March!
Tuloy po kayo pagtuwa po showtime. Salamat po sa lahat ng showtime. And malapit na rin po sa semi-finals ng quarter 4. Abangan niyo po sila. Oo naman. Darating na March na po ang Grand Finals. So, huwag natin kalimutan.
Yes, at kabayaran natin yan.
Kumusta kayo?
Masaya naman po. We met new friends. Whisper and
Sky!
oh yeah. Hello! Ang sakit sa paa.
We're going on a trip on our favorite.
Can we ride that?
Gala kasama natin, napapalo sila mula sa It's Showtime at Grand Finalist ng Tawag ng Tanghalan!
Hello po! Hello! Happy Valentine's Day sa inyo lahat! Siyempre po, nanghihingi po kami ng suporta, patuloy na suporta sa Showtime. Hindi lang po sa Showtime, kundi sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, lalo na palapit na po ang Grand Finals.
Yes, pwede namin kayo papakawala nang wala kaming sample sa inyo. Yung sabay-sabay na lang. Yung parang na-practice nyo na, ha? Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung tigil-tigil pa lang higo namin. Ayun. Hello. Lionel Richie, ha?
Sige, go.